Hey guys, welcome to the Gear Kit channel. This video is going to be really amazing. In this video, we will show you how the latest technology is used from the birth and the rearing of chickens to their last days. In today's video, you will see machines that you will see for the first time, and you will be completely shocked to see how perfectly these machines work. For that, you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end. That is how you will be able to get the full benefit of the video. And subscribe to our channel and like this video so that we can continue to make the best videos for you. Guys, the business of raising chickens is trending in the market today. So often, the question that comes to everyone's mind is, where do so many chickens come from? You know, if you raise chickens in the traditional way, it lays enough eggs, but not all eggs produce chicks. Because of this, many eggs are wasted. So guys, rest assured, now I will show you the modern machine used in poultry farms that hatch the chicks from the chicken eggs very quickly and which will not go bad in the future. In order to extract the chicks from the inside of the hen's eggs, all the eggs obtained from the hens are first collected and transported to the incubator factory. An incubator is a machine that hatches a chick from a hen's egg. Here, in this incubator factory, the chickens have to go through several processes to hatch. All the chicken eggs are passed through a dial cracker scanner machine through a conveyor belt that finds out which eggs are perfect and which are bad. The blue dot mark on the screen of this scanner machine indicates which egg is bad. The automatic machine then picks up the good eggs and places them on another conveyor belt, releasing the bad ones. And then, these bad eggs are collected in a separate place. Now, this automatic advanced machine picks up all the good eggs and fills them in a plastic basket. This machine fills all the eggs in the basket so neatly that not a single egg breaks, let alone a crack on the egg. This plastic basket is open on all sides so that the air can pass over the eggs. All these trays are placed one on top of another. 10 trays are stacked one on top of the other, so a batch of 10 trays is made and placed in an incubator. The eggs are kept in this incubator chamber for 21 days, and the temperature of this chamber is up to 37 degrees Celsius. Then after 21 days, the chicks hatch from each egg and come out of their own. Then all these trays are placed one by one on the conveyor belt and forwarded. Here, the eggshell and the chicks are separated. Now all these chickens are sent separately. Here, the chickens are checked and the male and female are separated. All chickens are being vaccinated here. As you can see on your screen, there is a dark side to these factories, and that is that one day chicks who do not meet their standards are killed, which is very unfortunate. Here you can see a worker separating a chicken's neck from its body. The chickens that meet the factory standards are collected and transported to the poultry farm. Here are all the chicks are brought to the poultry farm and left on the ground. Here they are reared. Poultry farms have everything healthy for these chicks. The wood is spread on the place where the chicks live as it absorbs the urine and the odor of the chicks, which makes the chicks feel comfortable and relaxed. These chicks are fed water through modern technology nozzles. These chickens are fed healthy foods such as soybeans, corn flour, and rice flour, and the food is fed in the same way through modern technology. Remember guys, here I am talking about good and quality poultry farms which are found only in developed countries. 24-hour light and fans are provided for these chicks. Now 2 months later, when the babies grow up, the female chicks are used to trade eggs. Each hen lays at least 300 eggs a year. When these hens lay their eggs, they fall directly onto the conveyor belt, which causes the eggs to descend through a slope, and then all the eggs are gathered on a conveyor belt and carried forward for packing. Here, another automated machine picks up the eggs neatly, fills them in the egg tray, and then sends the eggs to the market. This is how a large number of eggs are produced in factories. Guys, now let's check the male's chicks, which are brought to the meat factory by harvesting when they grow up 2 months later. Now after these chickens are brought to the factory, all these chickens are placed on the conveyor belt and sent forward. Here, some workers pick up these chickens and hang them with a hanger. The hanger takes the chickens to the front where they are slaughtered by cutting their necks. Then, all these chickens are put in a tub of water, which makes it easier to cut their feathers. Then, these chickens are passed between two brushes in such a way that all the wings of the chickens come off. Now, this whole plain chicken is washed again. Then, the necks of the chickens are cut off and separated. Now, the legs of these chickens are cut off and they are collectively separated. Unnecessary parts inside of the chicken are taken out, such as the intestines. After removing all the waste from inside the chicken, they are washed again with boiling water, which cleans the chicken thoroughly and kills the germs on the chicken. The chickens are then hung on a hanger and sent for further packing. Here, the whole chicken is packed, and the second way to pack the chicken is to fix the whole chicken on a stand first. Then a lot of workers quickly cut the whole chicken into many pieces. And this sharp edge machine also does the same work but more efficiently. Guys, you have seen how modern technology is used from the birth of a chicken to its slaughter. So guys, there are so many eggs and so many chickens being supplied in the market like this. And the most important thing is that we have made this video with a lot of hard work, so please like and share our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon. You won't regret it. See you in another video. Take care.